Yeah, welcome to the motovlog, boys. Featuring Shaq the singer. Right, we're heading to SuperBike Factory Donnington Park. We got like 50 minutes left from here, so yeah, we're gonna see what new bikes we're gonna get because I'm a bit too tall for this. Shaq's a bit too tall for that. Shaq's shorter than me though. Yes, you are, mate. Whatever you say, mate. Right, boys, so I probably won't record if you're on the motorway, so I'll record when we get there. Yes, Shaq. Right, let's go, mate. Come on. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, they were not impressed. They do not look happy. They hate us already. Because I just do this, look. Yeah, I can't do that. Oh, hey, I see SuperBike Factory, mate. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, look at that Raven. Right, boys and girls, we have arrived at Donington SuperBike Factory. I see, what is that? Oh, it's a Honda. Oh, there's even thingies outside, mate. Right, guys, so me and 𝗦𝗫𝗍𝗫𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 Oof, my legs are killing me. That was a long old ride, boys. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Right, Shaq, you ready, mate? Right, so I will try to record inside, guys. If I catch you once we're inside. Ooh! Mate, my bike's here. Look at it. Oh! Mate, look how nice they look. Like the eyes. Come on, mate. I'd want one bone stock though. I would, yeah. Not just that though, because then you know what's been done to it, innit? I'm pretty sure this one's bone stock. This one 10k though. This one wasn't on the website. So 12k the first service is due. But look at the seat. I like the ESP, but I actually just prefer all black. All black or this one. I don't know what that is, it's like grey. Like, you know this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But like, you know on these, this is like a separate unit. I think on the new ones it's like one. It looks, yeah, it looks like one unit. Wait, what is this? This MT-07 looks massive. Oh, let MTO know. I think you can just sit on them.
See, you make it pretty small.
Does it still look small? Yeah, see, that's the problem.
This looks flipping massive.
With these,
like compared
I think this one looks bigger than that, no?
way bigger.
The tank on that's bigger though. Yeah, that sits lower.
Or it could be the headlight, because the headlight's so small, it makes it look a lot bigger.
Yeah, but yeah, look at the tank though. If you stand from here, you can see it. But that sits way higher.
Yeah.
That is at such a nice height though. Like that, like my arms aren't like super thin and not super squashed. Like on the 07 I'm like this. Yeah, this is the thing. Look at the front of that. It looks so spacious, and look at this, it's like hidden up. Yeah. It doesn't even look, I think it's just plastic, mate. And it's on the floor as well. I just think I like the look of this. It looks thicker and wider and more aggressive. Like even, you know, these aren't actually anything, they're just on show. Same as these, they're just for show, they're not even like intakes. But that one looks more girly. I think that bike just looks more like girly. Yeah. I don't know how you make that one look like more aggressive. Because even the things you can buy to make this a bit bulkier, it doesn't make it look like, it's not as bulky, yeah. It's nice, mate, that's what I need.
Oh, no, not like this.
It don't feel nice, innit?
Yeah, no, not this one.
That's probably why they're not selling as much.
You can't believe the mileage on some of them. This is 68 miles on a 20 plate.
Yeah.
Been in the shed, isn't it?
Did you say 68 miles?
68.
I thought you said 68,000 for a second. I just clocked you said 68, yeah.
It says on there.
That's quite cheap as well, actually.
Just something else, you know what I mean?
It's less than £6,000, it's not bad. But I prefer that SP version to that.
Is it the same plate?
It's both 09s.
Oh, really?
But actually no, I prefer that, yeah. That's an extra though.
No, I think that's the other.
That's that pure extra bit. Bless you.
I played this on the low ticket.
Why? It's like the old Honda Grom, yeah? Mate, it's not even, it's actually quite comfy. It's actually quite nice though. I'd be comfy on this than I would be on the 650. See, we would suit these, but they're actually well tall though. Like, try stand on it. They're like, sit on it. You'll think it's too tall. Like, even though we're tall, you'll sit on it and you won't like it. It feels uncomfortable because you're like, now you're like sort of on your tippy toe, you won't like it.
You can barely flip in. I don't like it, it's too high.
That's what I mean. You like being tall enough that like you can like actually push your bike. Like you wouldn't be able to turn it on a hill. You wouldn't be able to reverse on it. Yeah. You have to get off. That's the whole point.
I hate them. I know
This one's not too bad, but
Oh, I think
still, yeah, AA. I really like these. If you was gonna get a first bike, yeah. If you was gonna get a first bike, I'd get like the 125 version of this, or you move up to A2, get the 400s. So cheap on insurance.
Fine, like 300, bar free. Oh, perfect.
You good deals on 0% APR. Yeah, but it don't matter, mate. Like,
Suzuki always does like good things.
yeah, but like you think like, look, it's wide. It is wide. It is really wide, but it's just a bit too narrow at the front. And I saw a guy from Slow Boys on TikTok on one, and he looked about my size but chunky. And I was like, he don't look right on it.
No, that's it.
These are nice though, but they're more upright. They're more upright. Yeah, that's what I mean. No, they're more upright. They're not sport bike. Who's that user on Instagram? No Plate? He's called No Plate?
This.
He's got this, like one of these ones, I think, or maybe an older one. I do like the unsymmetrical headlights as well. I think it looks cool. Yeah. Mate, if we was gonna get a sport bike, you need something like this. Mate, that's not even that bad. For new dashes or old ones, I like the mix. You know, when you got like mine now is like a little bit digital, but then analog.
Yeah.
Like the revs is analog, speedo's digital. Because like on this, I'm not gonna lie.
Look at this. Yeah. Because it looks like more.
Thing of these bikes though, they're all like old, like, and that's the thing. Like things on them are gonna be wear and tear, and
Problems.
but these are like the Hayabusa killers, innit? That's what they call them, Busa killer. They're nice though. That's like nice big bike, and you're sitting quite far back. Yeah. Yeah, you have to get rid of those straight away. Do you like these?
I don't mind them.
They look nice. Watch your back. Sorry. He's tall, he just can't see. That's all. He's blind.
I'm under the radar. That's it.
What's this? Tracy 7? Yeah, it is nice. You look cool on that, doing a wheelie.
I love that. That's my favourite.
Ooh.
Yeah, my favourite.
Yeah, it's a nice size actually. You just need, when you're tall and big, you need a tank that's big. You actually need a tank that's like wide. Because otherwise you feel small. Like my bike, I'm like this. Like the tank's like this big. Oh shit. Let's use. Quick run from the times in. Wish my bike broke down on the way here, because then I just have to get an MT10, babe, to get babe, I have to get an MT10 to get home. Mate, you still look tall too tall for it.
It's a heavy bike.
Yeah, it probably weighs like 300 kilos, mate.
This doesn't be comfy anymore.
Yeah, that's what you want, a heavy bike, innit? Because you just sit.
The seating position is like, I feel like you're in the car.
Yeah.
That's the bike to sit on. It's on the black one.
I can't get in. Over with the box. Where's the centre stand? That's how it be. Like, imagine me trying to power wheelie that. Mate, that is nice though. Where does my baby girl sit? Not much seat room there. That's how I'd be though, innit? I'd be like that. I'd be like that with it's got everything as well, cruise control along. Don't buy that one. Big though. I wouldn't be able to fit that in my garage comfortably. Now I can't get off, yeah, it's so tall. Is that down? This feels like it's going to topple.
No, you're good.
Yeah, you got 1, 2. There's only 4. They had 6 on the website. This one. You press that, and then to turn it off, look.
You just twist the throttle.
Forwards. It's got cut-off switches on the forward, or you tap the brake, but I would just put it forward, throttle forward, in it, or pull the clutch, they say. Oh, that was disgusting, mate. What is I'm riding a Gen 1 MT-07? Don't even feel that bad, boys. That's actually quite nice to ride. I'll be real. In the wrong gear. I'm just a little bit too squashed on an MT-07, that's all. Coming up to gravel, which is nice. Obviously I'm not going to get any real speed on it. Boys, that's so much nicer to leave. I'm only having a little ride, boys, because we need to get back home quick. Boys, that is so much nicer to sit on. Mate, that's so much nicer. Mate, that's so nice. I need a naked. Just comfortable. Even turning, mate, I felt so much more nicer just turning down a hill. Yeah, you see me in it. Yeah, boys, that was much nicer to ride than that piece of crap, boys. Right, we're heading home now. Yeah, when we get to my area, it's just gonna take you from M1 to M4. So you'll come off probably M1 to M25 to then M4. Well, you're going to be with me pretty much the whole way until like the last 20 minutes. Yeah. But cheers for coming home, mate. Time to do a wheelie. Look, I'm going to try to turn this corner. I'm not going to be able to do it. Exiting on an exit. Oh, what the fuck? Doing, mate? Yeah, I think O's just messaged me saying, yeah, this is you, and I can only imagine that's to the MT10 story. Oh, it's really windy, mate. Right, mate. This is me. Yeah, this turning up here, this is me. Alright, brother. See you later. Cheers, brother. Text me when you get home. Alright, baby.